Good morning. What's up, y'all? Today is, I never know the day. I should have known that before I pressed record.
Hey there, it's Kia. Welcome to my scene. Come along with me. Let's live our dream.
Today is September 14th. It's Saturday and it's currently 11 a.m. I have a kind of busy day. Starting off my day, getting my nails done. Then I have a couple of clients. One of them I have to travel to, and then afterwards I am going to indulge in some food because I know I'm going to be hungry, tired and hungry after working today. And then on top of that, like, everything is back to back to back, so I don't really have much of a break. So that's fun. But before I head to my nail appointment, I am going to my suite to drop off my clean and sanitized brushes. Since it's like a back-to-back-to-back type of day, I just want to have everything in place. That way, right after my nail appointment, I can go straight back to my suite and get ready for my client and prepare for this travel appointment. Everything is just like so, like I said, it's back to back. Like, I really don't have much time to spare. So yeah, this day is gonna be eventful, and I hope I can film it all. And if I can film it all, it will be because I'm on time. I'm not gonna be filming if I'm late, because I feel like, you know, priorities need to be in place. Hey y'all, so the nails are done. How cute are they? Sometimes you're not depressed. Sometimes you just need your nails done. Sometimes you need your hair done. Sometimes you just need to spruce your look up, like liven yourself up. And I feel so good knowing that my nails are done. So while I was getting my nails done, my client canceled on me. So I was like, it's totally fine, girl. I get it. Things happen, and things definitely happen beyond our control. So I told her, like, you can utilize your retainer up until December 31st. So I know holidays are coming up and you're definitely gonna want your makeup done. Girl, use it for that time. I'm not tripping. I have free time to get some lunch. I don't know what to eat though, because I'm hungry. I'm thinking I should just go home and eat, but I want to get something on the go. What's up, y'all? So I'm back in my suite. It was a really good session. She was really, really nice, very sweet. So my client, she's heading to a wedding today, and I had to make sure that thing was humidity proof, rain proof, sweat proof, dance proof, cry proof, all that stuff. So it was fun. I think I'm gonna head to Home Goods or TJ Maxx, or yeah, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, one of them. I'm so hyper focused on organizing my kitchen and just getting it together. I want to invite people over. So I'm trying to get my place together, get my space organized. This is my first time kind of like organizing a kitchen on my own. I don't know what I'm doing, but I have a concept of a plan, you know?
Outer space, back in the mix.
up, y'all? I'm back home. It's around 9 o'clock. And I feel like I kind of hit the jackpot at this, like, it's like this mega Marshalls Home Goods, like, mega store. And so I got a lot of essential organizational items for the kitchen. So I guess I'll show y'all what I got. Right? Yeah. A container lid organizer. A container lid organizer. Okay, next is a bakeware and lid rack. So next I have the silicone utensil set. Next I have this Lazy Susan. This is where I'm gonna put my spices, and it's gonna be easy access for me by just spinning around the little turntable. And yeah, I love this. It's so cute. So next I got this French lavender potpourri, and I think potpourri, whatever. It smells amazing, and lavender is very calming. So I'm gonna put this in the downstairs bathroom. I think it's going to just give the bathroom like a calming aroma, which is what I'm aiming for. So next I have this Sand and Paws Sun Washed Citrus candle. It neutralizes pet odor. I don't have any pets, so that really doesn't make a difference in my life, but I thought the scent was amazing. So I got this Rachel Zoe soap dispenser. We have a black faucet, so I'm kind of keeping up with the black accent in the kitchen. So as y'all can see, like, we have white, these like off-white cabinet knobs, and I'm gonna change them to black. And of course we're gonna get a new stove. It's gonna be like stainless steel, and I feel like, you know, the black is just gonna make the kitchen pop. And I got another soap dispenser, but this is going to be for the downstairs bathroom. I got a silver top, a silver pump, because the bathroom faucet is silver, so I just want to keep up with the whole silver accent thing. I hate when people do like, they mix like gold and silver and rose gold. Like, no, I think you should keep it, you know, with one tone. That way it looks cohesive when you put everything together. And on top of that, it makes things a little easier when it comes to shopping. So for the bathroom, it's gonna be straight like silver accent. For the kitchen, it's going to be straight black accent. There should be no guessing. Okay, and lastly, I got these oil dispensers. I think that's what these are called, right? You can depot your olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, whatever you want to use. Okay, so yeah, that was it. That's my little haul, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. So today is September 15th. It's currently 11 a.m. I have 26 minutes until my first client, and then I have a second client later on this afternoon. Both of them are for photo shoots. So the model will be here in about 20-25 minutes. Then the second client I have is a teacher. She has a makeup and photography session. It's going to be her birthday next week. So usually every year we do a makeup and photo shoot session for her birthday. It's something that she loves to do, and we do a few outfits. And yeah, I'm excited to see which outfits she's choosing this year. She hasn't sent me any photos, so I was like, okay, give me a sneak peek. But no, I'll be surprised. So I'll show y'all how the first look goes, and then I'll show y'all how the photo shoot with my second client goes.
I never thought you'd be this rude, shuffling you through your cards, but that I'm just one of them. No other person has come in this deep. Now you got me
up, y'all? So it's after the photo shoot. I am at Burlington because I realized it's about to be fall and I have no fall decoration. Well, as you can see, I don't have any decorations, and I think it'll be beneficial to get started by decorating with fall related decor. So yeah, I just wanted to see what Burlington had. I may go to another store afterwards. I don't know if I'm really like set on purchasing something today, but I really want to see what's out there, because whenever I was looking on Amazon, I wasn't really too pleased with what I saw. So I have to venture out and drive to like Burlington, Ross, Marshalls to see if like I can find something really nice. So I'm gonna go inside and see what I can find for my suite.
You blame for myself. To find what's real. Who's in this game of give and take? No wonder all you do is fake. Yeah, but why am I risking it all for our sake? The way you got me all in. Yeah, I will make it through this night. I got nobody else to blame but myself. You got me twisted ways, but I can't keep up this.
Hey y'all, so I'm back from being out and about, and I just want to show you what I got. I know I said I was gonna buy some things for my suite, but I only got one thing, which was this cute candle. It has three cute little pumpkins in it, and it's in the shape of like this little, what is it called, like a martini glass? I don't know, but it's so cute. It's so cute. Next I got these, what you want to call, like these pink tinted wine glasses. They're like in the shape of a diamond. I don't know if you can see the shape. Yeah, it's like in the shape of a diamond. It's so, I love it. Lastly, I also got these wine glasses. They are iridescent. Thank you guys for joining me in this vlog. I appreciate you guys for making it this far. And until next time, see you next week.